Hello guys, welcome back to another Christmas gaming video. Today I'm going to go outside with my uncle to a shop called IKEA. Peace. Doha Festival City.
So there is a lot of parking in IKEA. This is IKEA. So yeah, entrance. This is a West Court entrance. So we are entering to IKEA.
This is Doha Festival City.
Touch here to navigate. So we are here. So if you want to go anywhere, we can just locate in this one. This is Adidas showroom in the center point, and this is the smoking area. If you want to smoke, you can go there. And this is which smoking area. So you want to go smoking area, play with one. If you want to give one, they will give that one. So you can go and okay.
Adidas. Phone shop. Flying tiger. It's what's the wait? Shoe shop. Adidas.
Watch it.
This beautiful scenery of the ceiling, and that is IKEA. 2 floor.
ഹായ് പറഞ്ഞു പറ ഐക്യയിലേക്ക് കയറുന്ന പറ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ കൊടുക്ക്. This is IKEA. നീ മുമ്പിലായിരുന്നു.
That's the way to IKEA. IKEA, and this is Festival City. It's open till 12. In the weekends, it's open till 10.
നല്ല വ്യൂ ആണ് പറ.
And it's a beautiful view over here. It's a shop. Book system and a pencil and covers.
നമുക്കൊന്ന് ഷോപ്പിംഗ് ലിസ്റ്റിൽ എടുത്തിട്ട്
To write.
നമുക്കൊന്ന് വാങ്ങിയാൽ എഴുതാനും.
And visit at the Sweden restaurant. Green kitchen. Kitchen set. A weird drawing. Love this kitchen. Let's plan your dream on here. Room. Empty bowl. Time. More pencils, more kitchen. Computers I would definitely use for Call of Duty. A bed couch, lion, giraffe, and more over there. I'll show you later. There's the lion, giraffe, and whatever you call that thing, and a suitcase, and TV, couch area. Many couches, more couches, more couches, more couches. I don't know what that is. This, that thing, shoe stand, I guess, and couches, 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 and couches and couches and couches. Pictures, mirror, mirror, mirror. I can see myself. Peace. More tables. Wooden table. I like wood stuff. 195 is insane for that price. And there's more insane stuff. Free laptop. Horse company. TV. Light. More laptops for free. Oh, it's a paper. Good. Cup of tea. This is candle and random things. Cups. We showing this picture. Advice by my grandfather. Insane. Yeah. Some makeup sets and some books. These things TV. Lightly la la la. IKEA best place. Doing the craft work. Stressed. Chair.
So this is like if you want to purchase, you can just use this trolley. And what you will do?
Buy stuff. We bought this too.
Yeah.
Candle and this thing.
So you can see the beautiful view of IKEA. You can see a lot of chairs, dining table set, and everything. Chairs. So what a beautiful IKEA.
Lots of chairs, a table. Look, sounds good. This is a oven a number and open it. We cannot open it. I don't know why. Translator and yeah. Simmer ovens, all types, small, big. Copy, fridge. Stairs. Lot of cards. People. Whatever you call that, 3 real for plates. Design. Mailanji. A beautiful place, cups, things, everything. This is my uncle and auntie.
Hi, Shane, how are you?
Fine. One uncle, two uncle.
One is for my English uncle, one
Carpet.
is for his uncle.
Carpet, pillow, candle. My uncle is taking so many things.
Oh, what is this? Shane?
Cover. Bed cover.
Ah, this is a bed cover.
Very different colors.
Nice colors.
Green, beautiful.
Yes.
More.
Organized? കറക്റ്റ് അതിന് ഇത് കിട്ടണ്ടേ എന്താ
you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed and hope you subscribe and like. And yeah, I'll be doing more videos. Peace.